Okay guys, in this video we will talk about how to solve the total cost, the average fixed cost and the average variable cost. Okay, so how to solve data response in economics, that's what we're going to treat today, and it's very simple and an easy trick to solve it. Okay, so follow this tutorial till the end of the video, then you know how to solve this. Okay, so let's get started before wasting time much. Okay, so we said in finding total cost, we say total cost is equal to the variable cost proceed by, we said is proceed by the fixed cost. Okay, so this is the formula that we're going to use to find the total cost. Okay, we are given total cost in output 0, output 2, output 4. Okay, so we are going to find the output 1, 3. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we said output 1, and which is going to be the fixed cost, the variable cost is 14 and the fixed cost is 10. Okay, so that will be 14 plus it by plus 10. Okay, so that is equivalent to 24. Okay, so we jump to the next okay, that would be output 3, so that is equals to output 3 is 18 plus 10. Okay, that will be 18 plus 10, so that is equivalent to 28. So when we just find it, when we fix it here, okay, so here is going to be 24 and then the next one is going to be 28. Okay, so we find this. So now let's come to this area, the average fixed cost. Okay, so in finding that one is very simple to find. Okay, now let's scroll down. Okay, we said average fixed cost is equal to the fixed cost all divided by the output. Okay, now let's use the output as OP. Okay, OP, that is the output. Okay, now let's go at OP. We are going to find everything. Okay, OP1, OP0 is equal to, that will be the fixed cost. Let's check our fixed cost in OP1. So let's just make it small, big, small, so that we can see it. Okay, at least we can see it. Okay, so we said the fixed cost is 10, is constant. Okay, so that will be 10 all divided by 0, so that is automatically 0. So we said here at the first area is dash. Okay, so we put it there. So we jump to the next one, which will be our output OP1, which is equal to 10 divided by 1. Okay, so which is equivalent to 10 itself. Okay, so let's jump to the next one, OP2, which is equals to 10 divided by 2. Okay, so that is equivalent to 5. Okay, jump to the OP3, that will be OP3, which is equals to 10 divided by 3, so that is equivalent to 3.3. Okay, so we go to OP4, output 4. Okay, that will be equal to 10 divided by 4. Okay, so that is equivalent to 2.5. Okay, so we fix it in the table. Okay, we go back to the table, we fix it there. We share the first one, which is 10, and the second one is 5, third one is 3.3, and the fourth one is 2.5. Okay, so we check the how to solve the variable cost now, average variable cost. Okay, so in finding that one is very simple to find. Okay, now we said average variable cost is equal to variable cost all divided by OP, that is the output. Okay, so let's go to the next. We said at output at OP0, that one is always 0. Okay, so we put the dash, which is equal to, we check the variable cost. Okay, so which will be, let's check the variable cost. The variable cost at OP1 is 12. Okay, that will be 12 here, under here 12. Okay, that is 12. So let's check, here is 12 divided by 0, so that is equivalent to 0. Okay, so we automatically put a dash. Okay, so we jump to the next level, and that will be let's go, that will be OP1, op1 is equal to, so op1 will be 14 all over it by 1. Okay, so that is equivalent to 14 itself. Okay, so we jump to the next one. op2 is equal to 16. It will be 16 over 8 by 2, so that is equivalent to 8. Okay, so we jump to the next op. We said, okay, op, that will be, we change the font color. Okay, op3, that is equal to 18, that will be 18 over 8 by 3, so that is equivalent to 6. Okay, so we jump to the next op. That will be op4. That is equal to 30 divided by 4. Okay, that is it. We say it's 30 divided by 4. Okay, no, it's 20 rather. It's 20. This is 20. Sorry for that rectification. Let's see. That will be 20. Okay, by 4. Okay, that is equivalent to 5. Okay, so now let's fix this at this. Okay, so we have here, and then we have here 14. After then we have 8, we have 6, and then we have 5. Okay, so in this case, now jump 10. So in this case, we just check how, okay, we just save it like this. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and then if it is helpful to you, please let me see it on the drop it on the description. Okay, so that I'll later make another video. Okay, so therefore let's just make it, okay, very quick. Okay, thank you so much.